You also, we hear stories about the people who got kidnapped and they come back and they say the faith helped them, kept them.
Recently, our team went to Zikim, a kibbutz located in southern Israel, right on the border with Gaza. We as Christian Friends of Israel have come alongside the people of Zikim to help them by installing new high-quality security doors to secure the entrance to their homes. Whilst we were there, we met Sivan and she shared with us about her experience on October the 7th and what happened on that dreadful day.
Terrorists came to where you see now the trap over there between the two.
Yes,
Yeah. They came from the beach after they massacred and killed everybody there. And that's what they did. And then when they came, they took us with surprise still because it was an army car. We didn't know. And all this was in front of my house. We saw it. When they had this RPG, then we understand this is not the army because the Israeli army, we don't have. In Zikim, in this kibbutz, the biggest trauma or what could have happened. We go with the fear, what could have happened. This moment of trouble made all of us closer to the God, closer to the religious, and since then I'm not taking this off. And I know I'm not alone in this. You also, we hear stories about the people who got kidnapped and they come back and they say the religious and the faith helped them, kept them.
We also met some of the residents and heard how these new doors are restoring their sense of security.
And we were visiting here and she was telling us about the need of the doors. And,
Yes.
So I felt really like we need to make some urgency about it. Just to feel safe and to return to your place and know that many people in the world are praying for you.
There are so many people praying and supporting and speaking up for Israel.
It's good to know that we feel it. We try to look at the good side of the people.
How are you? Good. Hi, I'm Ken. Nice to meet you.
So in the morning I ran to get them. We went into the safe room. So we have a big safe room. Yeah, so I went back in, told my wife, okay, something's going on, we have to lock ourselves in. So because this is a different safe room, so we have a door with the... But now at nights, when we go to sleep, we have...
Yeah, of course.
It's an extra feeling for safety.
Yeah, right.
Now it's
Know that many people pray for you from the nations, that many people, really, many Christians, they are standing behind you. And I hope you can return back in safety, not for 1 year, but for long.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Good. How are you?
Okay.
It should be 2 apartments that connect together. The Christian Friends of Israel, we're here in Zikim to represent the door that you invest in. We wanted to say thank you very much for this opportunity to work with you, have a cooperation with you. It's bringing a lot of safe sense to the people and the residents of Zikim after the 7th of October and whatever was happening here. You need to understand the door before this was a wood door that you can kick off. So this one bring a lot of sense of security to our family and to our guys that are part of the security force here in Zikim that need to leave the house. So thank you very much. We love you. Thank you.